In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop in PDF Exchange Editor. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Organize tab up top, and in here, as you can see, it says crop. So click on that, and here you can select whatever you want. For example, if you select this crop pages over here, you can select how you want to crop them. So here, basically, it's going to allow you to basically just crop the page to however you want it to be here. And yes, you can, of course, select the crop methods over here. There's a bunch of different ones. You can apply to different things here. You can of course set all the different settings, and whenever you're happy, click on OK over here, and it's going to basically crop those pages. Now that's the first way, but of course you also have the crop option, which is just the crop page tool, and then here you can just drag the crop rectangle like this. You can drag it whatever you want. For example, if I drag it over here, it's going to basically, as you can see, automatically open up the crop pages box again. It's going to be preset automatically, and you can just click on OK again, and it's going to only crop that specific page. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.